DIY section today. I just want to show you what we've been getting up to in our lobby since not very long, a couple of weeks I think. We've actually stripped all the doors, and I'm actually going to continue doing the skirting board today, but the weather's absolutely gorgeous outside, so I'm sort of in two minds about what to do. But this won't take me long, so what I'm planning on doing is strip off some of the skirting boards today and then actually pop outside also. Do you like my new cup? I got a Mrs. Always Right cup, and my partner's got a Mr. Right, but his has got a chip in it already, so I don't know how that happened. So anyway, here's my cup. So I'm just going to show you quickly. So today is the 12th of January. Just thought I'd better get that in there, 2022. And I just quickly want to show you the lobby, what we've been up to in here. It's all upside down in a mess, but you've got to make a mess before you can make improvements, I'm afraid. So we're actually in a mess right now. I think Enki wants to go out. Do you need to go out, Enki? Because I've just fed him and he's not actually going to eat his food, so I think he might need to go to the toilet. So anyway, I'm just going to show you quickly the lobby. Ready? Because it's quite messy. But as I just said, you've got to make a mess to make improvements. So yeah, we're nearly done it all, but I've just decided to go outside today because the weather is really glorious, and I'll come back and do this after. In fact, I might just put a coat of, that doesn't seem to be coming off. I might just put a coat of, oh no, that has got some on it. I just wiped it with my fingers. Oh dear. I might just put a coat of paint stripper on that and then go outside. That can be doing its work while I'm outside. But let me just show you what we've already done. Okay, so I'll just turn the camera in. There's Anu outside. He's followed me up here. Anyway, let me show you what we've done. So I'll start here. So we've put some paint stripper on the skirting board here and here. There wasn't any paint on these. And then we've done all of this. So we've taken all the paint off of these and lightened the wood, because it was really, really, really dark. And taking the paint off of there and then working our way around. So we've done this in 2 weeks, me and my partner. Yeah, so that's that. So I done these doors. These have got to be sanded next. They're not finished yet. So they've got to be sanded next, and then we've got to open the doors. We haven't opened them yet to do the door jamb bits and see what they look like. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to stain them a lighter colour, and we're going to do the front door as well, because the front door is this colour and it's always been this colour. But we need to, this bit of skirting's not done yet. Under the stairs, we haven't done that yet. So this bit, all been moved here. All this stuff's been moved. Yeah, we did have this paint stripper that I found in the cupboard, but it smells awful. So we went all the way an hour and 15 minutes to Shrewsbury yesterday, or the day before, to go and get some more of this paint stripper, which doesn't have hardly any smell, but you have to buy this in B&Q, and it's so much cheaper than most of the other paint strippers, and this is £28 for 5 litres. All the others like this, I mean, I don't know how old this one is, but they're really, really expensive locally. So we had to travel to go and get what we wanted, and that's what we have to do, because that's how far away it is. But we've only got a smart car, so it only doesn't cost us much to go in the car. So what I think I might do is just put a coat of paint stripper on this bit under here. And a bit more on this bit, and then I'll come in, when I come in later, it should just come off. And then we've done this bit over here. And what you do is you just rub it off with some wire wall stuff. It's only water-based paint, it's only vinyl that I went over this with. So it actually comes off quite easy. And this door I done the other day. So it all needs sanding. And this I done. Simon started this bit and I finished it. It's not quite finished yet. There's still some more varnish on there, which I have put some paint stripper on, but I will put a bit more on. And the first door I done was this one. And then Simon started on this one, I finished it. And all the skirting, we've noticed that there's a bit of plaster blown there. So we chip that off, so that has to be redone. Don't know why that is like that. Don't know how come the water's getting under there when this was in the middle of the building, unless it's a pipe. But I don't know how on earth you're supposed to ever get to that. Anyway, so I just wanted to show you that. So see, stand back here. This is what the building looks like right now. These two chairs here, we're probably going to get rid of those. See if anybody wants them free. If not, we'll just have to get rid of them. Because we're going to get some smaller chairs that we saw in B&Q the other day. And we might get some like that, which are like small chairs for the lobby. Because these are rather large. These are like lounge chairs. We only put these in here because it just swallows up the sound. Otherwise it's really echoey. And the counter is there. So we're going to be doing something to the front of the counter. I might sand the top of this because it looks a bit scruffy before we put it back. And then, yeah, anyway, so I just want to show you that. And the door needs sanding and the outside of this door is going to be done as well. So the inside and the outside. Oh, sorry about that jet. Anyway, I don't know what's wrong with Enki. He seems to be really... Enki, why are you not eating your dinner? Usually he has dinner at this time and he can't wait to wolf it down, but he doesn't seem to be eating it very quick. Anyway, so I just want to show that. I'll show you. So that's the progression. So this is our DIY, what we're doing inside the lobby right now. Lightening all the wood to make it look more friendly. I think it's looking good. Because we're sort of like an old country hotel place, well, B&B, not really a hotel, we don't qualify for that status, but B&B, we want to make it look oldie-weldy, and I think this colour is nice. So once we sand it, we'll see how light it comes up, and then we're going to stain it, because we've got to protect the wood, obviously, so we're deciding what colour to do it and everything. Anyway, so I just want to show you the mess we're in right now. And all the bedrooms upstairs are sort of topsy-turvy, where we've moved all the beds out of the bedrooms. We're going to actually do 3 of the bedrooms. I will show you that, what we're going to be doing in the bedrooms. At the moment we're just deciding what floor tiles to do. We want to have like wood effect floor tiles in the bathrooms and then showers. So we want to do number 1, 3 and 5 this year and let out them 3 rooms, and then hopefully let out the caravans and do the camping, hopefully, all being well with rules and stuff. Anyway, so I'll just turn the camera around and say goodbye because I literally just wanted to show you this. Oh, actually, yeah, I might show you after, once I've done it, actually, that skirting board over there. So you can see how quickly you can do this. And we've done this in 2 weeks. Oh, and while this is uncovered, because I done this in a rush, put this coat of varnish on, and I don't like it. So I think what I might do is take that off, this bit inset, this bit, not the whole thing, just this bit in the middle here, because upstairs I don't want to take off all the varnish off of all the doors, but I might do that bit. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll show you after